Hey, this is Joel Neidig with Simba Chain. Just going to show you today, I'm going to launch a Solidity smart contract to 5 different blockchains in under 60 seconds. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to take the same piece of Solidity smart contract code and then launch that to 5 different blockchains. And not only that, but auto-generate a RESTful API for each one and the contract, the method calls that are inside the smart contract. So I'm going to show you how simplistic that can be done on Simba Chain today and go through that. So on app.simbachain.com, you can see we have Ethereum, Quorum, Stellar, RSK, Hyperledger, Hyperledger Burrow, and Binance. And what we're going to do is show you how to deploy to 5 of these. Stellar is orthogonal to the other ones, so it doesn't use Solidity, but today we're going to do Ethereum, Quorum, Hyperledger Burrow, Binance, and RSK, and show you basically how quickly you can deploy to these blockchains using the same Solidity smart contract. And then also, like I said, we're going to generate a RESTful API and several other things that can benefit you as a developer or as you're just trying to get into blockchain and learn how these different systems work. On our application side, you can see that we have the Simba API that's auto-generated based on that smart contract and the method calls in that, so it's specific to your user logic, which is very useful for programming. The other thing that you provide is API keys. You can also, those method calls you can do right from the app dashboard, transaction logs for the blockchain explorer, and then you also have the app info, so it sees what transactions are happening, who's the users that are using it, and different things like that. So what we're going to do now is go over to our the Solidity smart contract so you can see more about what the actual one we're going to deploy to these 5 different blockchains today. And this is a cost insurance freight, has a lot of different parameters and transactions, method calls that are going to be used on this smart contract. And you can see we're using Solidity 5.10 for this use case. So now I'll pull up the timer and we will show you how fast we can deploy in under 60 seconds to these 5 different blockchains. So we'll get started. So now I'm going to deploy to Binance first. So that's going to get started. Then we're going to go to Burrow, get that one started. Then we have Ethereum or Circle of Life, Quorum, get that started. And then we have our RSK, get that started. So that one's done. This one's still signed transaction, making deployment. This one's finishing up. And this one is also making that deployment. That one's finished up, that one's all done, that one's all done. Okay, so now we just have the 5 deployed. We still have a few seconds left to finish up, but that just shows you how quickly we can deploy to RSK, Quorum, Ethereum, Burrow, and Binance, all using the same smart contract in under 60 seconds. So thank you, and don't forget to check out app.simbachain.com.